Alright, there is the Daikin starting up in heat mode. Alright, here it is running in heat mode. Has a good, strong fan. It's got 4 blades. It's from 2016. I think it was put in 17 though, I could be wrong. It's getting pretty faded. Copeland Scroll compressor. Energy guide is pretty much gone. Nice sounding. It's getting warm. You can see some... Oh, that's funny. It's got a different colored leg here. I never noticed that before. It's got 3 of that kind and 1 of that kind. That's pretty funny. They must have run out of the lighter kind. See, it's got 3 of that kind. It's got 1 of, like, the American Standard. That's funny, I've never noticed that. So yep, there is a startup and it running in heat mode. Startup and run in heat mode. Very cold air coming out. Yep. Alright. There is a startup and shutdown of the 2016 2-ton Daikin heat pump in heat mode. Anybody's already stopped. So yeah. American Standard I'm not going to get today because I explained that earlier. I mean, I explained that in my video of them off. So yeah. I don't know why it gets blurry after I zoom out. Okay. Out.